from HeyGrillHey.com, and today we're making an awesome recipe: pineapple cream cheese pig shots. That's right, sausage wrapped in bacon, filled with this creamy pineapple-y sweet filling, cooked on the smoker. Absolutely bomb. You guys are gonna want to try these out, and I'm here to teach you how. Let's do it. Let's break down a pig shot. If you haven't heard of a pig shot before, it's essentially a pig-on-pig meat treat with whatever type of filling you like. I tend to like the salty and sweet combo, so I've got pork sausage, pound of bacon, and we're doing a pineapple cream cheese filling. But if you wanted to just keep these cream cheese, that would be awesome. If you wanted to put cheddar and cream cheese inside, also delicious. Chop up some jalapenos in there, mushrooms maybe. The world is yours when it comes to filling your pig shots, but I'm teaching you my way because this is my show. So here we go. We're gonna start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. To that, we're gonna add about a half a cup of crushed pineapple. I'm gonna reserve a couple tablespoons so that we can top our little pig shots at the end. And then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now just give it a mix till everything's incorporated. Perfect. I'm just gonna put this into a zip top bag because it's so much easier to pipe the filling into our pig shots than it is to try and spoon it in by hand. So I'm gonna put it in the bag and set it aside. Life hack: if you want a really yummy treat, just eat that cream cheese pineapple mixture with some graham crackers.
A life hack?
Yeah, well, like, I don't know, like a happiness hack, tasty nibbles tidbit. Squeeze the air out. Set this guy aside. Our filling is ready to go. Now we have to assemble the pig shots themselves. These are called pig shots because they actually resemble a shot glass. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is one of those pre-cooked rope sausages. Typically the brand's like Hillshire Farm. There are a couple people that make them, but they are pre-cooked, and that's pretty important here because they're gonna hold up. If you use an uncooked sausage and you cut it like this and you try and form it, not only are you gonna have, you know, some issues getting it into the right shape, but when it cooks, it'll fall apart. So make sure you get a pre-cooked sausage. Grab yourself a strip of bacon, start on one side, and just wrap your way around. So as you can see, I actually cut my whole length of bacon into half pieces. You don't need a whole piece. Secure it with a toothpick through the sausage. And just like that, you have a little pork on pork meat shot glass to put your filling into. Then we repeat.
You onto something?
Yeah. Dun, dun.
So keep it on the board.
Yeah.
Wrap it around.
I was trying to pick it up like a chump. Dirt.
Everyone's grateful right now, Suze.
Listen, I just spent a long time being mad at wrapping these, but now that I know the easy way, I'm just mad I didn't figure it out sooner. And they look better too.
Yeah.
Look at how much better these ones look now that I learned how to wrap them right. I've made these so many times and I have never wrapped them like that. Just goes to show you, you're never too old to learn a new trick. Dun, 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 tray full of pig shots. Now we gotta stuff them with our filling. Remember, quart bag, grab some scissors, snip off a section. You kind of want it to be big enough that those cream or pineapple chunks won't get stuck in there. And then we pipe it in like we're decorating a cake. You really only need a little squeeze in each. You don't want to go over the top of the bacon because as the cream cheese heats up, it'll melt out the sides. So fill them and then give yourself a little gap with the bacon at the top. Okay, super happy with that. Now we need our reserved little pineapples. You're just gonna grab a couple little pieces of that crushed pineapple and set it on top of each pig shot. So pretty, so colorful. I mean, I want to throw a party just so that I can feed these to people at the party. I miss parties. I'm happy with that. Now, finishing touch, my friends. We sprinkle with a little bit of barbecue seasoning. I'm using my sweet rub. This is a great complement to these pig shots. It gives you that smoky barbecue flavor, but the little bit of brown sugar in there kind of reinforces the sweet vibes that we've got going on in the cream cheese. So just a light sprinkle on top. It's gonna look real pretty. All right, pig shots are on. These are gonna go at 300 degrees for 75 to 90 minutes. The bacon is gonna really render down, and it's not gonna be super crisp, but it's gonna have some crisp edges, be bite through, and super delicious. 75 minutes in, our pork shots are done. Come in and take a look at these bad boys. We've got that pineapple and the sweet rub on top that have kind of started to caramelize together and brown from the smoke. Our bacon looks beautifully rendered. There are definitely going to be some nice crispy pieces on there. And they all held up awesome, even with my semi-wacky bacon wrapping skills. My mouth is watering.
You're gonna burn your mouth.
I'm gonna burn my mouth, yes. I should wait a minute. All right, I'm gonna pull these guys off of the wire rack onto my serving board, my cutting board. And I just wanna let these cool for at least 10 minutes before I serve them, because that cream cheese is still very liquid. It's like molten lava in there. And you want those to set up for just a little bit before you try and remove the toothpicks. Otherwise, you could unravel your little pig shots. Once these are all on the platter, you can see a little bit more clearly why they're called pig shots. Each one of these looks like a perfect little shot glass of a snack. Now, you can attempt to do this in one bite, which I believe is possible, but I want to give you guys a cross section of what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to see if I can do it in 2 bites. There you go. These little pig shots are amazing. They are the perfect appetizer, party snack, any way that you want to get more bacon, cream cheese, and sausage into your life. Do it in the form of a pig shot, my friends. When you do, snap a photo of these beauties, post them on social media, use the hashtag #HeyGirlHey, that way I can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you next time.